How Excel to Tally integration enhances business performance. Two effective tools that are commonly used by companies worldwide are Microsoft Excel and Tally ERP9. While Tally ERP9 is a complete business management program that assists companies in managing their financial and accounting requirements, Excel is renowned for its capacity to organize and analyze data. However, combining Excel with Tally can boost your company's productivity. When it comes to organizing and analyzing data, Excel is a potent instrument, but it is also prone to mistakes, particularly when data is entered directly. By automating the data transmission process between Tally and Excel by using fast and flow, data quality can be increased. This lowers the possibility of mistakes because data inputted in Excel will be immediately updated in Tally. Excel is a fantastic instrument for making reports and evaluating data, but physically entering data into Tally can be time-consuming. By automating the data transmission between the two platforms, Excel and Tally integration can help you save time. This enables you to spend more time using the data to guide your choices and less time entering it. Excel and Tally integration can boost productivity by doing away with the need for repetitive data input. This frees up your team to work on duties that are more crucial, like data analysis and making wise choices. Better company success may result from increasing productivity and efficiency. You can get real-time data by integrating Excel and Tally, which will enable you to base your choices on the most recent information. As a result, you can rapidly spot trends, monitor results, and make necessary changes. You can remain one step ahead of the competition and make wise decisions that will help your company develop with the aid of real-time data. You may customize reports and data analysis based on your unique company requirements by integrating Excel with Tally. This implies that you can design unique dashboards and summaries to give you the data you need to make wise choices. Customization can give you a distinct perspective on your company and help you remain ahead of the competition. Excel to Tally integration can boost your company's productivity by enhancing data accuracy, reducing time spent on administrative tasks, boosting productivity, offering real-time data, and enabling personalization. Making informed choices, staying one step ahead of the competition, and accelerating company development are all possible with Excel and Tally integration. If you are not already using Excel to Tally integration, now is the time to start. Get a free trial of Excel to Tally software at www.fastandflow.com.